trapped inside your soul, a constant cry in the dark, a sob you can't release. You're holding back a storm that only wants to breathe, and your chest grows heavy like thunder with no rain, lightning waiting in your ribs, begging you to break the chain. So scream and shout, get it out, cry the way the sky does. Through thunderstorms, let it burn, let it pour, let the clouds inside you roar. 'Cause the sky knows it's being cleansed. It knows the storm is how we learn to let go of the pain. Silence is a prison when your tears have lost their way. You're drowning in the echoes of what you never got to say. Don't carry every shadow like it's yours alone to hold. Even night unfolds to morning when the truth is finally told. Let the thunder in your heartbeat find its voice tonight. Let the rain fall freely, it's your birthright to fight. So scream and shout, get it out, cry the way the sky does. Through thunderstorms, let it burn, let it pour, let the clouds inside you roar. 'Cause the sky knows it's being cleansed. It knows a storm is how we learn to let go of the pain. And when the storm is over, you feel the gentle air, a choir made of healing, a softness always there. You'll see the world in brighter hues, washed clean by what you faced. A soul reborn in rainfall, a heart reclaimed by grace. So scream and shout, get it out, cry the way the sky does. Through thunderstorms, let it burn, let it pour, let the storms become your cure like the sky.